Did you know that something as simple as walking can improve your health and well-being? Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you walk every day for 5, 30, or 60 minutes? Well, today we're going to find out. So keep watching. But before we get started, let's take a look at what happens to your body when you don't walk at all. When you sit for extended periods, your body goes into what's known as rest and digest mode. Your muscles become inactive, your metabolism slows down, and your body doesn't burn as many calories, which can lead to weight gain. If you combine this with unhealthy eating habits, it can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels and an increased risk of diabetes. Plus, a sedentary lifestyle can lead to fatigue, reduced brain function, and even depression. But the good news is, walking is a simple and effective way to combat all these negative effects. Let's start with 5 minutes of walking per day. Even just a short walk can help to stimulate your body, get your blood flowing, and increase your metabolism. As you walk, your muscles begin to activate, which can help improve your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Walking can also boost your energy levels, making you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. Plus, walking with friends or family can be a fun and social way to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. But what about walking for 30 minutes per day? Well, studies have shown that just 30 minutes of walking per day can have a significant impact on your overall health. As you walk, your heart rate increases, which can help improve your cardiovascular health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Walking also triggers the release of endorphins, which can help improve your mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Plus, walking outdoors can expose you to sunlight, which is a great source of vitamin D and can improve your bone health. And if you can't make it outside, walking on a treadmill or in your home can be just as effective. Just half an hour of walking every day not only lowers the risk of developing colon cancer but also improves digestion and regulates bowel movement. Now that's a good news for those who suffer from chronic constipation. Finally, let's talk about what happens when you walk for 60 minutes per day. At this level, you're really pushing yourself and getting the maximum benefits of walking. Your muscles are working harder, which can lead to increased muscle mass and improved strength. Muscle tone and weight loss is also totally achievable through simple walking. Just remember to use correct form though. Find your optimal pace, but don't break out into a jog. This sort of speed walking is low impact and doesn't require any recovery time, which means no sore muscles to keep you from getting out and walking the next day. Walking for 60 minutes per day can also help reduce stress levels, improve cognitive function, and increase your productivity. And if you want to make your walking workout even more challenging, try walking up hills or stairs to really engage your leg muscles. In fact, just 10,000 steps a day can be just as effective as a full-blown workout at the gym. Give a thumbs up if that sounds like something you're interested in trying out. Walking every day, no matter how long, can make a huge difference in your overall health and well-being. So what are you waiting for? Grab some comfortable shoes and start walking today. Remember, every step counts. Keep walking and keep improving your life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and motivation to help you achieve your fitness goals.